Is it only the parents' fault that the child has autism? So the answer is no. ये पेरेंट्स की गलती नहीं है कि बच्चे को ऑटिज्म है. पहली बात तो ये गिल्ट अपने मन से निकाल दें. There are multiple factors due to which the child has autism, and a large part of it is unknown. Idiopathic, हमें नहीं पता बच्चे को ऑटिज्म क्यों है. So जो important theories हैं इनकी, one कि child has some genetic background due to which the child is at risk for developing the features of this neurobehavioral disorder. Second, the child can have multiple environmental factors. That can be toxins, that can be infections, that can be pollution, that can be pesticides. So there are n numbers of environmental factors due to which the child develop autism. The other, which is a very important modifiable risk factor, is screen exposure. So ये मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि शायद यहाँ एक गलती रह जाती है कि we excessively expose a child unknowingly at a very early age. So if you do early screen exposure, that is a risk factor that the child might develop autistic features and maybe in a long term a typical autistic child. So screen exposure जो guidelines है, I'll speak in another video, but the only point here is do not. So this is a very important modifiable environmental factor जिसको हम prevent कर सकते हैं autism, जिसकी वजह से हम prevent कर सकते हैं कि बच्चे को autism हो. So that means कि अगर genetic background भी है बच्चे का, but still हमने screen exposure नहीं किया, हमने healthy lifestyles maintain किया, the child might avoid to have autism. So screen exposure should only be after 2 years of age, and it should not be between 0 to 2 years of age. That is the guideline, and we should all follow it for a better tomorrow, for a better next generation. Thank you.